Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we will be restoring this iPhone 5s that I bought off of eBay from a seller for 15 bucks. As you can see, the screen has apparently been dropped or ruined or something, but it's not working. And so there's no real way for me to test that unless I put it into iTunes, but every time I put it into iTunes it gives me an error, so I can't do anything about that. The back is not bad. There's a couple dents in the back, and there's a scratched in name in the back. If you can read it, I don't know if you can, but it's there. Alright, so it came in this packaging, and the first time I turn it on, you can see obviously it's not good. But the phone is in relatively good condition. Now, the bottom didn't have screws in it when connecting the display and the housing together. It didn't have screws in it, so obviously somebody's been in here before. Now, there is a gap separating the LCD and the glass, as I show right here. I found when I was in the phone that probably somebody dropped it in the corner right there, and it split the LCD and the glass together. So looking in here, as you can see in the top left corner, there is no plate holding down the screen keys, so there's obviously been somebody in here. Okay, so I'm just disconnecting the battery so it doesn't blow up in my face when I'm trying to fix the phone. And disconnecting the screen. Alright, first we're going to start with the home button. A home button's pretty easy. You just gotta unscrew all the screws holding it down. And it's important to take off the home button and the camera and speaker parts, because that's holding down the metal plate that you need for the digitizer to work. You just peel that part up. It looks like it's gonna break, but it's really just stuck down. And then moving up to the top part with the speakers, there's two screws holding it down, and they get a little annoying, as you can see right there. It got stuck to the speaker unit. It's very magnetic, so every time you take out those screws, it gets stuck. And you can see there's one missing screw at the top of So I gotta take off this part of those two pins right there, and that should take off the old metal plate. Okay, now this is my new screen, so I'm going to take the metal plate and put it into the new screen and connect the speaker unit and the camera all together. You can't tell, but there's a camera under there. I kind of messed up when I took it out, but it still worked, so it's fine. Okay, so I have this old 5S that I have that doesn't work anymore. I'm just going to be using it for parts, and I just need to get that one screw in there that was missing, and I put it back in there. And connecting the home button to the new phone. Very simple again. You just connect the screws that need to go in. Now I kind of messed up right here. I had to unscrew it because I forgot to do a step, put down the other screws and the metal plate in. So I do that. And the metal plate is important because that's what makes it giving that clicking sound and the nice, satisfying click that it has. Alright, so connecting the screen, I had a little bit of trouble getting those connectors in because they wouldn't line up correctly. The first one is always the hardest to get in. And turning on the screen, you can see there is lines through the display. So unfortunately I couldn't get that fixed, so I had to buy a whole new screen. So I did get it to work, but every time I put it in iTunes it said error 9. So if you guys know what that is, then please tell me, because I'd like to know. But that has been the screen replacement for a 5S that I bought for $14. Overall I spent $30 on this phone, and can probably resell it for a little bit more. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me if you want more videos like this. They're really easy to make, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.